Hello. Welcome to Swag Modern Machines. Today, we've got a lineup of the 15 biggest and most powerful combined harvesters in the world that will leave you in awe. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest and greatest in modern farming technology. Let's dive right in. Consistently through the years, Claas has produced the highest capacity machines on the market, and this new 8900 takes them ahead of the game once again. Three New Holland CR1090s are changing the face of agriculture by harvesting vast acres of crops in the north of France. They even smashed the Guinness World Records title for the most wheat harvested within 8 hours. Witness the crazy work of machines like the Case Axial 8250 as they harvest rapeseed, leaving you in awe. The specially designed Bro 9090X olive harvester can harvest almonds, olives, and super-intensive orchards, reducing the burden on farmers. The mysterious and luxurious Black Massey Ferguson Ideal 9T harvester delivers great performance, proving that farming isn't as easy as it seems. The Kubota CH105 and CH93 corn twisters are favorites among corn farmers, offering flexibility and durability for professional corn farming. The Deutz FAHRC 9300 with its powerful engine and low running costs is an excellent assistant for harvesting all crops. Just look at the beautiful Rostselmash Vector 420 at work, showing great enthusiasm for the job. Is your press running at full speed for the 2023 straw harvest? Round or square, which of these machines do you use? The refurbished OXBO/Pixel BH100 green bean harvester is a comfortable and fun machine for any driver. Start your day with full energy using this powerful combine harvester. Share the excitement with your friends. Designed for uncompromised throughput and maximum capacity, the AGCO Gleaner S78 works tirelessly in the cornfield. The Laverta M300 MCS wishes you a bountiful harvest. Wow, that's what we wanted to share with you today. Which one of these impressive agricultural machines caught your attention the most? Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you soon.